3 power of m plus 3 power of m equals to 16. Find m. Solution 3 power of m plus 3 power of m equals to 16. Here 3 power of m is common 2 times. 3 power of m is common. 1 plus 1 equals to 16. 3 power of m of 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Equals to 60. Both are divided by 2. 3 power of m equals to 60 by 2. 2 1 2 30. 3 power of m equals to 30. Take log on both sides. Log 3 power of m equals to log 30. Log a power of m equals to m log a formula. Log 3 power of m equals to m log 3 equals to log 30. Both sides divided by log 3. M log 3 divided by log 3 equals to log 30 divided by log 3. Log 3 cancel. M equals to log 30 by log 3. Here 13 factors 15 2 3 5 7. M equals to log of 30 equals to 2 into 3 into 5 divided by log 3. Log a to log ab equals to log a plus log b. M equals to log 2 plus log 3 plus log 5 divided by log 3. M equals to log 2 by log 3 plus log 3 by log 3 plus log 5 by log 3. Here log 3 cancel. Log 2 by log 3 plus 1 plus log 5 by log 3. M equals to 1 plus log 2 by log 3 plus log 5 by log 3. Here this is in the form of log a by log b equals to log of a base of b. M equals to 1 plus log of 2 base 3 plus log of 5 base 3. This is m value. Now check it. Question is 3 power of m plus 3 power of m equals to 60. M value, oops, 3 power of m is common. 1 plus 1 equals to 60. 3 power of m into 2 equals to 60. 3 power of m equals to 3 power of m equals to here 3 power of m. M value is 1 plus log of 2 base 3 plus log of 5 base 3 equals to 30. Here a power of m plus n equals to a power of m into a power of n. 3 power of 1 into 3 power of log of 2 base 3 plus into log of 3 power of log of 5 base 3 equals to 30. 3 power of 1 equals to 3. Here a power of log of b base a equals to b. 3 power of 1 equals to 3 into 3 power of log of 2 base 3 equals to 2 into 3 power of log of 5 base 3 equals to 5 equals to that. 3 2 6. 6 5 30. 30 equals to 30.